Aiming at inoculating people of West Bengal for COVID-19 free of cost before the upcoming assembly election, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee on Wednesday wrote to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging him to help the state in procuring the vaccines. A rapid vaccination program is needed immediately for the interest of health and well-being of all the concerned, Banerjee said in a letter to Prime Minister Modi. She said, and I quote, "We would request you to kindly take up the matter with appropriate authority so that the state government is able to purchase the vaccines from designated points on top priority basis because the West Bengal government wants to provide vaccination free of cost to all the people. Election to the 294-member West Bengal Assembly is due in the month of April-May. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar today said that from March 1st, people above 60 years of age and those above 45 years of age with comorbidities will be vaccinated at 10,000 government and over 20,000 private vaccination centers. The vaccine will be given free of cost at the government centers, he added. India has said that mutated versions of coronavirus were not responsible for an upsurge in cases in the two states, a potential relief for the country where mask wearing and social distancing have largely disappeared. Maharashtra and Kerala account for 75% of the India's current active cases of about 1,47,000, and both the states have seen a sudden rise in new infections in recent days, which have also fueled the calls for a faster rollout of vaccines. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's office on Wednesday announced that the embargo on grant of government businesses to private banks has been lifted, thereby allowing them to participate in development of the economy and social sector initiatives. Embargo lifted on grant of government business to private banks. All banks can now participate. Private banks can now be equal partners in development of the Indian economy, furthering government's social sector initiatives and enhancing customer convenience, the Finance Minister's office wrote on Twitter. The decision is expected to enhance customer convenience, spur competition, and higher efficiency in the standard of customer services. The Sardar Patel Stadium in Ahmedabad, earlier known as Motera Stadium, was today renamed as Narendra Modi Stadium. President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the stadium. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Gujarat Governor Acharya Devavrat, Sport Minister Kiran Rijiju and BCCI Secretary Jai Shah were present during the inauguration ceremony of the stadium. Talking about Prime Minister's name being given to the stadium, Home Minister Amit Shah said, as Chief Minister, he used to say that Gujaratis must also progress in two fields, that is sports and armed forces. He took charge of GCA on his request, that is on Amit Shah's request, and promoted sports in the state. His vision was that world's largest cricket stadium should be built in Gujarat. The Aam Aadmi Party's emergence in the Surat civic body is the beginning of the new politics in Gujarat, and each of its winning candidates will execute the responsibility with honesty, Party Chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said today. He also vowed to improve Gujarat in partnership with the people of the state. Aam Aadmi Party garnered an impressive 27 seats in the coastal city, replacing Congress as the main opposition party in the city municipal corporations, elections for which were held on Sunday. Gleaming over his party's performance, Kejriwal said, and I quote, "The people of Surat have defeated a 125-year-old party, the Congress, to give the Aam Aadmi Party the responsibility of the main opposition. I would like to assure you that each of our winning candidates will handle the responsibility with honesty." Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying ₹199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our Super Supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.